Yeah.
Yeah.
Ni hao everybody, that I say hello in Chinese. I'm currently in China, specifically Shanghai. I've been here for a while, working on my startup. That's my advert terminal. I'm always into creating content, like making videos and the like. So I need to upgrade rather than using my mobile phone. I've always used my mobile, had my mobile phones around. Bro, I got to upgrade, man. I've had it in mind that I'm gonna buy a DJI. I wasn't sure what I'm gonna buy. Maybe it's an action camera, or maybe it's an instant 360 camera, or maybe a drone, or maybe a small pocket. I wasn't sure, bro, but I was like, yo, I just gotta go, cause like, DJI are much more affordable here. So I just went to a DJI store at a mall, and bro, I was completely sold out. Alright guys, I just bought the DJI mic now, bro. So they asked me to sit down, they asked me to download the DJI mic mini, and bro, I bought the DJI Action 6, the phone holder session. They just gave me water now. Shui, it's called Shui. And they gave me, what is the name? Oh, I bought the DJI Mic 3. Gotta buy the best. I got the DJI Action 6, the best. I got the DJI Action 6 holder, the charger that holds it. And bro, it's been cool. I was exploring, bro. Just all part of the grind, still day one. Right, and the boys are here. So these are the 30 stuffs. This is the Action 6. This is the Action 6 mic holder. And this is the DJI Mic 3, bro. The latest. All part of the grain. Here is my deal. Just rocking here, man. DJI just gave me this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, my friend.
Side yen.
Oh my God.
Share. So I'm leaving now. Bro, I think I'm going to be heading out right now. Let me check out the Nintendo stuff. Alright, I just got this booster, man. A 128 gig. I first bought one online, but I bought the wrong one. I bought just an SD card. This one, it has the SD card built into it, but so I'll just be using that for different storage. This one is going to be used for the DJI. I was supposed to buy this one, but I was contemplating, bro. What should I do? Should I buy it or not? Actually, this is another DJI store. I was just exploring different DJI stores. The one I went yesterday was different, but this one is another DJI store. As you can see. I'm contemplating if I should get this one or if I shouldn't. But I've gotten this SD card already, bro. However it goes, still day one. Keep building. It's very late in the night right now. I ordered for, what's the name? I think a CP filter for my DJI Action 6. Yeah, at front of my hotel. Bro, let's see how it looks. This is it, bro. Try looks cool. Hope it works and gives me better quality. That's the goal, right? Alright, so I'm literally shooting on the DJI right now. I came to another store to buy the handle. This handle. Where is the handle? To buy this handle for my Action 6. So I'm literally testing out the handle right now. That's what I'm doing right now. So bro, well, it's affordable though, but I don't know, I gotta buy it.